What's happening, everyone? I hope all of you are doing fantastic. We are here in beautiful Los Angeles, and I cannot be any happier. This has been a surreal experience, finally being able to travel and get outside of Canada. It's been well over a year since my last trip, so this is making a huge difference for me. But today I've partnered with one of my favorite brands, Vivo, to talk to you and showcase some of the amazing features on their latest device, the V21 5G. You guys excited? Let's kick it. Now, whenever I come to LA, I always get asked by my friends, Alen, how do you take these amazing portraits, these selfies of yours, or even the city shots that you capture? And I tell them a lot of time, this is my mobile device, and the way that I do these things is by utilizing the key features on the device. So for today, I want to try out some of the key features of the V21 with some of my friends so they can also learn how to really capture content that is of quality. Now, on the front of the device, you have a 6.44-inch OMO LED 1080p screen with up to 90 Hz of refresh rate. Charging on the device is also super easy. You get from 0 to 64% roughly in about half an hour. This is great for any content creator who needs that extra kick. Now let's talk about some of the cameras on this device. On the front of the device, you have a 44 megapixel front-facing camera with OIS and autofocus. It has an aperture of 2.0 and offers dual LED flash. This isn't something that you see every day. The image quality here is amazing. It performs well in almost all conditions, even in harsh and low light. The camera app also comes with a whole bunch of beauty effects that you can utilize to really customize your images and make them pop. Now, as for video, the front camera comes with OIS, and this allows you to create solid video stabilization captured at 4K. The dynamic range here is absolutely exceptional. Now let's talk about some of the rear cameras. There are 3 rear cameras on the back of the device. A 64 megapixel main camera with an aperture of 1.7 that offers OIS, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera with an aperture of 2.2, and a 2 megapixel macro camera with an aperture of 2.4. Now, the main camera on the device allows you to really capture quality content under all lighting conditions. And with night mode, you have the option to even really utilize creating content under night conditions. The main camera is able to capture really nice looking shots in almost all lighting conditions, especially with the help of night mode. Colors are vibrant and you get so much more detail. Another key feature on the device is called dual view video. This allows you to capture content with both the front and rear camera simultaneously. Now, this can allow you to create really unique content and be as creative as you can, and also allows you to stand out in comparison to other devices on the market. So that's all for the specs. Let's pack out and head out. Alright guys, we are at a park right next to my hotel, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to test out Ali's skateboarding skills and to also put the phone to the test, because not only does it have a really high quality front-facing camera, it also comes with OIS and EIS, so you get image stabilization for anyone who's creating content, especially if you're a vlogger and you want to film yourself while you're doing activity. This is the phone for you. So let's go out and put it to the test. One of the most amazing features on this device is not only the fact that it has an incredible front-facing camera, but it has OIS on the front camera as well. So you're getting image stabilization even while you're skateboarding. Alright guys, so we just got to LACMA and we're going to be filming some scenes here and utilizing the V21 to see how it performs under low light conditions. Also, we just wanted to really check out this installation, get some cool portraits of my buddy Simon here. The idea here is to really showcase the power of low light shooting capabilities of the V21, and what better place to do it than here. Don't you love the spot?
I love it. It's super cool.
Yeah. Yesterday was so much fun. I'm super happy to have been able to discover various different parts of Los Angeles with my friends. The whole point of yesterday was to teach them different techniques that they can try out when they're taking their selfies or portraits or even just landscape shots. And the V21 really showed how amazing and how many different types of features that it offers anyone who's traveling, especially when you decide to come to LA. I also want to talk to you guys about this amazing opportunity to enter Vivo's Vision Plus Mobile Photo Awards competition. It's a lot of words, but trust me, this is something you guys definitely want to enter to show off your mobile photography skills. This mobile competition is a partnership between Vivo and National Geographic. They've been working together to launch this grand photo awards among mobile phone users, presenting everyday life enthusiasts with an opportunity to express themselves and to create. Now, as many of you guys know, I love taking mobile photography and it's something that I'm very passionate about. So be sure to enter this competition. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.